Good morning, students. Today we learn the physical properties of metals. Physical properties of metals. First property, physical state. All metals are solids at room temperature except mercury and gallium. Second property, luster. Luster means brightness, shine. Metals possess a high luster called metallic luster. Third property, hardness, that is rigidity. Most of the metals are hard and strong. Exceptions, sodium and potassium can be cut with a knife. Fourth property, melting point and boiling point. Usually metals possess high melting and boiling points and vaporize only at high temperatures. Exceptions, gallium, mercury, sodium and potassium. Fifth property, density. Density means thickness. Metals have a high density. Exceptions, sodium and potassium are less dense than water. Sixth property, ductility. Metals are usually ductile. In other words, they can be drawn into thin wires without breaking. Metals are usually ductile. They can be drawn into thin wires without breaking. Without breaking, it is possible to convert into thin wires. Seventh property, malleability, that is flexibility. Metals are usually malleable, that is, they can be beaten into thin sheets without cracking, except zinc and mercury. It is easily converted into sheets. Property number 8. Conduction of heat and electricity. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. Silver and copper excel in this property. Excel means high capacity. Exception, tungsten. Conduction of heat and electricity, this is an important property. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. Silver and copper excel in this property. Exception, tungsten. Ninth property, solubility. Usually, metals do not dissolve in liquid solvent. Solubility, usually metals do not dissolve in liquid solvent. Physical properties. What are the physical properties of metals? Physical state, luster, that is brightness or shine. Hardness, that is rigidity. Melting point and boiling point. A density, that is a thickness. Ductility, then malleability, that is flexible. Then conduction of heat and electricity. Ninth property, solubility. These are the physical properties of metals. Thank you, students.